Oh no, after 7 years sitting here, less than 2 hours working on it, what happened? Where is it? Oh, it's been rolled out. It doesn't look like it has an engine or a transmission. It doesn't look like it has a electrical. Let's look in here. Here's our fuel cell, all the electronics. It's pretty empty, but I'm telling you what, throwing a motor, a little transmission, get my brakes put back together, get it to the show, boom!